Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to my instructor, Madam Rosiati, and to all my fellow friends in Group 1 EAC 2. So today I want to present about my assignment 1 for EAC 2 is the video presentation for paragraph writing. I'm Faizul Anwar. My metric number is UK33665 and my group EAC is K1. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, today I want to explain or to generalize about how to write the sentence properly and how to interpret what the TS is the topic sentence, what is the SS is the supporting point. My paragraphs doesn't have a conclude sentence, but in writing, if you want to make a conclude sentence, you can do it. So my slide is about the volunteer. Okay, you can see I write the paragraph. Before I write the paragraph, I make outline. Outline is useful. It's a guideline for me before I write the sentence on my writing. So it's about volunteer. And then let's move to the next slide. I want to show how I make a paragraph writing perfectly by make outline framework first. You see that this is a general outline framework. Don't put your sentence to write the paragraph writing. Make a blank like this. Make a blank sentence like this. Just put your number. Okay, I want to explain this one by one. First, this is a Roman number 1 that represented a topic sentence, a main point. Okay, in my paragraph, I have a main point and 3 supporting points that represented by alphabet A, B, and C. And on my supporting point, 3 supporting point, I have one of each I have one sub-supporting point for each supporting point that represented by alphabet A, B, and C. The sub-supporting point represented by Arabic number 1 that you see in my slide. So first, I want to explain the main idea, the main point, or the topic sentence. The main point is to show your general idea, to show your general flow before you write writing. You want to speak or you want to make something that related to your presentation. So, number 1 Roman is the main point. And the alphabet number alphabet A, B, and C is the supporting point, and Arabic number 1 for each supporting point is represented by 1, 1, and 1. Arabic number 1. So let's move to the complete outline from my paragraph writing. Okay, from my paragraph writing, I can present it by outline. Okay, first my outline is represented by Roman number 1. As a volunteer, you can help senior in your community by 3 ways. A volunteer is the topic and can help senior in your community by 3 ways is the controlling idea. Okay? Then that I told before this, in my paragraph writing, I have a main point and 3 supporting points that support the main point that represented by Roman number 1. So I want to explain how it can be a main point. It can be a topic and the controlling idea. You can say is the main point or topic sentence is the same things. Okay, topic sentence should have a topic and controlling idea. So a volunteer, it will be the topic and can help senior in your community by 3 ways. It can be your controlling idea. Okay, supporting point that represented by alphabet A, B, and C. Okay, let's see first one by one. Why I can say is it can be supporting point. Okay. Sentence firstly, secondly, and thirdly. A word firstly, secondly, and thirdly. That 3 ways prove the supporting point. Firstly, secondly, thirdly is the supporting point. Okay. I read for supporting point represented by alphabet A. Firstly, show to senior that you care about them. Okay. Main idea, a volunteer, it is a topic and can help senior in your community by 3 ways. It controlling idea. And this, firstly, it can be a topic. Show to senior that you care about them. It will be a controlling idea. For supporting point, I have some supporting point that is represented by Arabic number 1. Why? I say that because the word, for example, by offering to shovel, drive away, or surprise them by doing so without asking, by raking leaves around their house. Okay. This supporting point, I have 2. I can make 2 supporting point. Why? By offering to shovel the driveway, and you look the word or it separate your first sentence and the second sentence. First sentence is offering to shovel the driveway or surprise them by doing so without asking, by raking leaves around their house. Okay. See, you see this. Surprise them by doing so without asking, by raking leaves around their house. it can be a second sub-supporting point. And the second sub-supporting point that is surprised them by we saw without asking, by raking leaves around their house. By raking leaves around their house, it can be sub-supporting point for the second sub-supporting point. I hope you can understand what I say. Okay. Let's move to the second supporting point. Secondly, share your meal with them. As I told to you, supporting point. Secondly is the topic, and show your meal with them is the controlling idea. Okay. For the second supporting point, I have one sub-supporting point. Actually, I can make two sub-supporting point. One, create an extra portion at dinner, or buy some additional grocery during your next trip to share. It can be two sub-supporting point. For the third supporting point, invite them to join you in a survey project in your share community. As I told you, we previously on my first supporting point and second supporting point, the third supporting point it also same. I make sub-supporting point. I write the whole in together because I not enough space to show you. So third supporting point, it can be your three sub-supporting point. Plant the flowers with garden, some friends and neighbors, create or join a community garden, or organize trash pickup activity. It can be three sub-supporting point for the third supporting point. Okay. As you see, the different color for my error is shown that I said. Okay. Okay. Is my presentation. So I hope it can guide you to make a writing report or some that related to the writing. And thank you for watching my video, and thank you to all that helped me to make a video. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.